Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So mailman just dropped by and dropped off a flush mount fuel cap. So let's go ahead and quickly install it. And here it is. Let's get it unboxed. Alright, so this is a surrounding ring. And the cap itself. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. Let's remove the stock fuel cap. Let's clean up this area, make sure there's no dirt. Carefully, make sure nothing drops inside. Alright, I'm going to use an alcohol pad to get the top of the tank cleaned so the adhesive sticks really well. Alright, gonna let this thing dry. In the meantime, let's see the fit on this thing. Perfect. Push it in and twist, nice and flush. Alright, now that the surface area is dry, you can get the ring, get this thing peeled off carefully. Don't touch the adhesive. And slowly, carefully, we're gonna line it up in the center. And press firmly on all the arms. All right. Okay. All right. One other thing I wanted to show you guys that I just installed. No reason to do a video for something like this. It's just two bolts. It's a Willie G blacked out timer cover. Looks pretty good. And that's exactly what I wanted to do, going for that blackout look. Alright, and now the fuel cap sort of complements that whole look that I'm going for. So that's it, guys. That was a quick and easy install of flush mount fuel cap. Hope this was useful for some of you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.